This luxury home in Folsom, California makes a statement from the curb, presenting 726 Sundahl Drive. The first thing that you'll notice is the clean architectural design. Walking through the front door, you're welcomed by soaring ceilings and an abundance of natural light. And one of my favorite features is the great room. The expansive living area connects effortlessly to the kitchen, creating a space where family and friends naturally gather. Large windows bring the outdoors inside, while making the home feel bright and inviting throughout the day. In the kitchen, you'll find premium appliances, beautiful countertops, custom cabinetry, a large center island, and plenty of workspace, whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a dinner party. And the dining area continues the open concept and provides the perfect setting for everything from a casual family meal to holiday gatherings. Primary suite offers plenty of room to unwind, while the spa-inspired bathroom creates the feeling of a luxury resort with elegant finishes, dual vanities, an oversized shower, and a generous 2 separate walk-in closets. The additional bedrooms are well-sized and offer flexibility for family, guests, a home office, or even a private gym, depending on your lifestyle. Another feature this home has is a ground-level guest or in-law suite with a separate entrance. Here, you have your own kitchen, laundry room, and living space. Not many homes have this option, and that's another unique feature about this home. And finally, the outdoor space offers privacy, comfort, and the perfect California lifestyle. One of the biggest advantages of living here is the location. You're just minutes from Folsom Lake, miles of walking, biking trails, top-rated schools, parks, shopping, restaurants, golf courses, and convenient freeway access. Empire Ranch in Folsom continues to be one of the most desirable places to live because it offers the perfect combination of luxury, convenience, and an exceptional quality of life. If you enjoyed this home tour and would like to see it in person, all my contact information is in the description. Our team has been helping buyers and sellers in Folsom and the greater Sacramento region, and we would love to help you. And by the way, please comment, what's your favorite feature about this home?